Performing LFP detection. We have opened a raw data file and are using the advanced workspace. Note that we have optimized our view settings to get a close-up look of our data. We have configured the X and Y axes on the raw traces chart and adjusted the color map. To start the analysis, go to Analysis in the File menu and click LFP Detection. Like the spike detection, there is a Discard Noisy Channels option which is enabled by default. This setting can filter out oversaturated channels and false event detection. For the purposes of our experiment today, we're going to uncheck this option. Underneath the LFP detection settings, we have the hard threshold algorithm. We're going to set our own custom high threshold to 150 and our low threshold to -150. Press Enter to click OK and begin the LFP detection. Similarly to the spike detection, the local field potentials are also visualized in the heat map. The LFPs are highlighted in the raw traces chart with pink underlining. LFP visualization can also be disabled by clicking the eye icon under the raw traces settings. To re-enable, click the icon again. The color can also be changed. Like other analyses, the chart generated can be exported by going to Export Image. Additionally, do not forget to save your BXR file so that you may access your LFP detection results later. To do this, go to BXR and click the icon and save.